Hi, I'm Susan Weeks from podcastprogress.com. Thank you for stopping by. You know, people ask me how I managed to get so much done and still smile and enjoy life. So I'd like to share a couple of tools that help me to do that. The first one is a book, and it's the 12-week year. Get More Done in 12 Weeks and Others Do in 12 Months by Brian P. Moran and Michael Lennington, published by Wiley. I love this book. And the main point of that book is a method of organising your time, strategically planning some 2 or 3 goals for the next 12 weeks that you're going to focus on, that are going to move your business forward. I found it absolutely invaluable. It's so tricky to fit in our normal day-to-day business work, doing client work in my example, and also being able to make those strategic moves, to do that extra work that's needed to build maybe an online course or produce a podcast, write a book. Fitting those tasks in on top of our every normal day-to-days can be really tricky. So the 12-week year is an excellent way for you to move that forward. And the other tool that I really like using is Trello. Trello, I absolutely love it. It's an online project management and collaboration tool. I've used it with clients. I've got clients all over the world, and it's fantastic for us both to be able to be talking through Skype, sharing a Trello screen and moving the different projects around and planning what needs to get done. So whilst I was working with the 12-week year, it dawned on me that if somebody's a new user for Trello, or maybe haven't done very much project management or planning in the past, then it could be a bit overwhelming. So what I've actually done for you is I've created 2 Trello boards. The first Trello board is basically how I have used Trello to plan and organise my 12-week year. So it'll give you a starting point, and it shows you how you can how I've broken down each week and the tasks and how I manage them, how I record my progress, how I score my week, and so on. And then the second Trello example is one that I've prepared to help people who want to know how to plan, create and launch a podcast. So we've got 2 Trello boards there to help you, and I've also done a small video which explains just the nuts and bolts of how to use Trello as well. So you've got three videos in there. One, how to actually use Trello. The second one is talking about the different steps involved in how I use Trello to create and launch a podcast, and it's the same process I use for my clients when I'm doing a podcast for them. And then the other one is basically how I've used Trello to capture and organise my 12-week year plans. So I hope you find value in that. If you have any questions or you would like to share a success story, then as always, please email me on info@podcastprogress.com. I'd be delighted to hear from you, and I will of course always come back to you and share your stories, and if you want any help with anything, then I'd be delighted to offer it. So without further ado, let's move on to the contents of this kit. Thank you.